Coming up today in this video, you'll learn who Rube Goldberg was. You'll find out how to get started in your 2 project-based learning activities and get some tips for success right now in Intro to Engineering and Design. Hello, welcome to the project-based learning activities for Chapter 10, Mechanical Engineering. This is an overview of what you need to know to get started. Since one of our 5 mechanical engineering chapter objectives is to explain the concepts of energy, motion, and simple machines, I thought it would be fun to explore the use of Rube Goldberg machines to reacquaint ourselves with simple machines. If you can't remember the 6 different types of machines, here they are: the wedge, wheel and axle, lever, inclined plane, screw, and pulley. Named for the American cartoonist and inventor Rube Goldberg, who you see here, a Rube Goldberg machine is a deliberately over-engineered contraption built to perform a very simple task in a very complicated fashion. Most Rube Goldberg projects include several simple machines triggered to react in a chain reaction. In fact, the entire music video for This Too Shall Pass, performed by the alternative rock band OK Go, is cleverly filmed to follow a massive chain reaction of simple machines. You owe it to yourself to go onto YouTube and check out OK Go's video. It has a glorious conclusion. Okay, now, continuing on. All of the PDF files detailing the instructions, approved building materials, and the project assessment rubrics for grading both your individual and group machines can be downloaded from the Chapter 10 section of the course website. Considering that we will be adhering to the official RubeGoldberg.com contest rules and regulations for the high school level of group competition, please also download, print, and share. A print copy will come in handy while you are planning and constructing your group machine. Let's start with the Breakfast of Champions project. Here is a great example of a student who followed all the instructions and filmed the sequence of simple machine interactions as instructed. However, the required documentation video was recorded on a cell phone in portrait mode, not landscape. So, here's tip number 1. When you record anything with a cell phone device, remember to rotate the phone horizontally so your viewers are not distracted by big, ugly vertical bars in the media player. Tip number 2 also comes from the Breakfast of Champions project. In this example, the simple machine reactions occurred very quickly, and the student wanted to make sure everyone knew what was happening. Since she got off to a fast start with the project, she had time to work with the video and put it into a video editor to add some special effects. As you can see, slowing down the video enhances the success of the project and allows the viewers time to admire your work. Tip number 3 is to provide an on-camera descriptive dry run for the benefit of the viewers.
Put the ball in the funnel, and it spins around, goes through to a seesaw, which then falls and goes into the spiral, which goes around. It goes to an inclined plane, this purple inclined plane, which then goes down to this inclined plane, which is blue and green, to the string, and the string and the marble fall into the bag.
The string then pulls the Joker across the table, dropping this weight off the spoon, pulling the giant penny and the dinosaur over, smashing the Batmobile, which then goes flying off the Batman ramp, hits the F5 key, and defeats Poison Ivy. Okay, here we go.
So, here we go.
Here is tip number 4. Have a cooperative plan in which everyone has a specific duty, and you take the time to rehearse those duties just like a NASCAR pit crew would do. Watch and learn from tip number 4 as those students worked well together.
Don't block the screen at all.
Okay, I'm still filming.
Still filming? Marbles?
Well, it's up to you now. The planning, building, testing, and final demonstration of a Rube Goldberg machine can involve emotional stress and frustration. Use the tips mentioned here today. Watch YouTube videos for construction ideas and engineer a contraption of simple machines that you will be proud of. You will apply the experiences gained from these 2 projects in our upcoming civil engineering units of study. It is now time for you to design.